everyone, and I welcome all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss Tick Among Us COM. So I'm going to tell you the salient features about this Tick Among Us COM, and I would like to tell you that it is grabbing a lot of attention worldwide. So let's proceed further. I also request you to watch this video till the end, and also do like this video, share the video and subscribe the channel as well, as it will boost our spirits to bring many more informative videos like this. So let's proceed further. Basically, tickamongus.com is a website with fantastic features that have added a mod, and this mod can be downloaded for game cheats, delete ads while playing a game, and so on from its website. So basically, the US website say it ensures the prevention of exposure and hacking on iOS and Android devices. Download the profile and install Among Us mode. Tickamongus.com works simply. Isn't that great? Also, you can go to the downloaded profile in the settings of your devices menu on your iOS and Android devices, install Among Us mod and have fun playing without ads. This is totally smooth because ads basically is annoying most of the time. If you talk about the reviews of tickamongus.com, I would say that there is not particular feedback on tickamongus.com, but the mode is becoming really famous, which is a new additional feature in it. This mode is known to most of the people around. The new applications or modes are basically very much beneficial. So also, I would like to say that before you download the mode, you can review all the information on the website. Tickamongus.com is an online platform for unlocking paid skins, deleting announcements, and obtaining premium cheats in the game. You don't have to track the advertising in the game with this mode. Without interruption, you can play seamless games. So many users who have, you really have a craze of playing games online, who love fun, want to win all level of the games, Tick Among Us offered premium cheats for these passionate players. Moreover, without expense or with $1, you can take any skin, hat or pet. The mod is available for download on iOS and Android. So this is all about Tick Among Us COM, and yes, it has an additional feature which is the mode. So what do you feel about this new additional feature, and what do you feel about tickamongus.com? Do mention your experiences and comments in the comment box. And I would say that we read all your comments each day, so keep commenting. So friends, also do like this video, share the video, and if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe the channel as well. Be informed, be safe.